Rebecca here from Pecan Creek Ranch, and I want to talk to you a little bit about how thoughts impact our whole system, our whole body. Often people will say, well, what I'm thinking doesn't matter because it's what I do that matters. And so if I'm trying to make this work with the actions I take, but I'm thinking, oh, this won't work, doesn't matter. So I got thinking about that. You can see how the water is being moved by the wind right now. The little ripples on the water. And so if I do something to that water, like throw a rock, will it cause a change? Most of us have been alive long enough to know that, yeah, it's going to cause a change. I'm going to throw a rock. This is a thought. I'm thinking. And look at the rings of ripples and how far out they go and how long they extend. That thought has impacted every single part of my system, just like it's still affecting that water. Look at it. Just like the rock did. And we have so many thoughts in a day that it would just cause ripple upon ripple upon ripple. It's not a problem if what we're thinking aligns with what we're trying to do. And in this case, the wind is pushing the water this way. So if I was able to throw a rock in such a way that it would cause the ripples to go that way and only that way, then the thought would align with the actions. It does matter if you think something's going to work or not. Because the thought that it won't will cause a tightness and a change in your body that impedes you to make that thing happen. It may not impede you enough that it doesn't happen, but if you were to change your thought to, I wonder if this will work, and more of a curious stance, then you don't have that impediment. And then what happens? Is it even greater? Is it even more successful? Because what we think, what we believe, matters. Just like the rock in the pond that causes ripple after ripple after ripple. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you'll come back sometime soon.